Welcome back. In this video, we see the tech specs and features of Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3 15-inch laptop. Model number of the laptop is 83EM00GTIN. This laptop is an Intel-based laptop, has 13th generation Intel Core CPU, light and very thin laptop, 10% slimmer to previous generation, adaptive performance of smart power, 4-side narrow bezel, 89% active area ratio, low blue light certified, 300 nits for brightness supported. CPU of the laptop model is Intel Core i7-13620H. Base clock speed is 2.4 GHz. We can boost the clock speed to 4.9 GHz with Intel Turbo Boost. CPU has 10 cores, 16 threads. 10 cores is of 6 performance cores, 4 efficient cores with 24 MB L3 cache. Graphics is Intel integrated Intel Ultra High Definition graphics for 13th generation Intel CPU. Memory of this laptop model is 16 GB, supports dual channel and has transfer rate of 4800 million transfer per second. Memory is soldered onto the motherboard, cannot upgrade or replace. Storage is 512 GB Gen4 SSD drive. Interface type is 20-42. For additional storage or external storage, there is an SD card reader slot. Display of the laptop is 15-inch display screen, Full HD, 1920x1080 resolution, 16:9 aspect ratio, IPS panel, anti-glare display screen, 800:1 contrast ratio, 45% NTSC color gamut, 300 nits for brightness, and 144 Hz refresh rate. Camera is Full HD camera, integrated dual array digital microphone, manual webcam shutter for privacy. For audio, there are two 1.5 watt stereo speakers to give high definition audio and Dolby audio output. For network, there is Intel wireless LAN card which supports Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2 version. Let us see the ports available on this laptop model. On the left, there is one power connector, one USB Type-A Gen 1 5Gbps speed port, one HDMI port, one USB Type-C Gen 1 port which supports data transfer, power delivery and display, one headphone-earphone mic combo port. On the right, there is one SD card reader slot, one USB Type-A 3.2 Gen 1 5Gbps speed port. For input and keyboard, there is a precision touchpad, multi-gesture touchpad, backlit keyboard and dedicated numeric keypad. Battery of the laptop is 3-cell 47 Wh lithium-ion polymer battery. Charge the battery for 15 minutes and get 2 hours of battery life. When the battery is fully charged, we get approximately 11 hours of battery life. For power input, we get 65 watt round pin AC adapter. Input voltage is 100 volt to 240 volt AC. Output voltage is 20 volt DC and 3.25 amp. For security, this laptop has TPM module, manual camera shutter for privacy and mic mute key, and also BIOS password for user and administrator. Operating system of the laptop is Windows 11 Home 64-bit edition. Lenovo recommends Windows 11 Professional for Business. Microsoft Office Home and Student 2024 lifetime subscription plan is included, and also Xbox Game Pass subscription for 3 months. Body of the laptop is polycarbonate or plastic body. Weight of the laptop is 1.62 kg and 17.9 mm thin, tested for military standard. Color of the laptop is Arctic grey color. Let us see the upgrade options. Maximum memory is 16 GB. Cannot upgrade or replace as this is a soldered memory. Storage, we can replace existing 512 GB with 1 TB SSD drive. Interface type is 20-42. Warranty of the laptop is 1 year standard and 1 year accidental damage protection. Register for premium plans when you buy the laptop. In the box, we get Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3 15-inch laptop, 65 watt round pin AC adapter and user guide. This laptop is recommended for students and professionals who are looking for high-performance CPU at a friendly budget. We can use this laptop for high-end programming, multitasking activity. There should also not be a problem for low to medium video editing and casual gaming.